Hello friends, very good morning. Okay, so today we are starting with our new chapter, that is single entry system of accounts. Okay, this is a new addition to your syllabus. New one, accounts from incomplete records. The name of the chapter is accounts from incomplete records. But yes, we are doing this from single entry system to complete double entry system. On the basis of incomplete records, we are trying to complete the records. We are trying to prepare the balance sheet. We are trying to complete it and have what is the profit, what is the loss, trying to calculate it. Incomplete records andre nam kade completely books illa, completely information illa, but we are still trying to make it complete by using the estimations and all, and trying to derive what is the profit, trying to prepare the balance sheet. So that's called as completion of accounting from incomplete records. Okay. Now, what are the features of single entry system? It is inaccurate. Accuracy illa because we are using estimations here. It's unscientific, unsystematic method of recording because can generally is everybody is not knowing exactly if an ordinary man, ordinary layman, will he maintain all his accounts? No. What he will just do, ಎಷ್ಟು amount ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು amount ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, remaining balance how much, that's only he'll keep. Yeah, so many people don't maintain all of the books of accounts, but still from those books which are available we will try to complete and prepare the things. This is generally no record of real nominal accounts ಅಂತೂ ಇರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Only most of the cases cash transaction, personal account ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Cash book nalli business expense, personal expense are nothing maintained separately. All are mixed on in everything one only. There is no uniformity in maintaining. So ನಿನಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೀನು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡು, ನನಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ I'll maintain. So according to our choice. Profit exactly cannot be determined because it is estimate based. In same case also, because there is no proper balance sheet, exact financial position cannot be set. Okay, these are the features of single entry. Now, what are the types of single entry? Pure single entry, simple single entry, and quasi single entry. In pure single entry system, only personal accounts are maintained and nothing else. In simple single entry, personal accounts plus one more additional book, that is cash book, is maintained. In quasi single entry, personal book, cash book, and some subsidiary books are also maintained. Okay, now let us solve the first one by ascertainment of profit. We are ascertaining the profit how? By capital comparison. Capital comparison ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ difference in the capital. Last year capital ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು, ಈ year capital ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ. Difference between the two is only our profit, correct? Yeah. So this is also called as net worth method or statement of affairs method. So profit ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? This year's capital minus last year's capital. Closing minus opening will give me profit. Very simple. We are doing this from our 12th standard, correct? So yes, with that same concept, we need to find the profits. Let us start with our illustration one. Ready? Yeah? Chalo, let us start. Raju does not maintain proper books of his accounts. He provides the following information. Opening capital ಇದೆ, closing ಇದೆ. Drawings during the year, capital added during the year. What are we required to do? Calculate profit or loss for the year. Okay. How do we calculate profit or loss? Closing capital minus opening capital. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ drawings ಇದೆ, additional capital ಇದೆ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ effect ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ? Yes. So usually, if you can remember and recall, whenever we prepare the balance sheet for the next year, how do we prepare? What do we do? Opening capital, whatever it is, correct? In the balance sheet, I'm telling. We write it like this. What do we add to this? Profits or loss, whatever it is, we will add. Then less, if there is drawings, we will deduct, correct? If there is additional capital introduced during the year, then what we will do? Add additional capital. Then the remaining balance, we will write it as what? Outside the column, correct? This is only our closing capital, correct? So the answer to this is what? Closing capital. This is what I know. Yeah. Now I want, in this particular question, what is given? This is given, this is given, This is given, this is given. I am asked this. Can I not just rearrange and find out this? Yes, I can, Allah. Oh, okay. So write down illustration 1, solution. Number 1, solution. Computation of profit for the year. Put the heading. Computation of profit or loss for the year. We will do it in particulars and amount format. Okay. So here what we have, closing capital. I'm just rearranging what I already have. Okay. Closing capital. In add agutte rearrange. Yes, very good. Drawings will get added. Next. Then I have to deduct additional capital. Deduct agutta? Correct. Because I'm starting with closing capital here, not opening capital. Please look at it carefully. So less again, opening capital. Put the figures what we have. What is the closing capital given? Drawings, additional capital, 700. Huh? So what's the answer are we getting? 1007. This is only our profit for the year. Clear? Very simple. Hala? Yeah. Chalo. This is only solution to the first problem. What we did, we just rearranged the equation. Clear? Okay. Now, shall I start with the second one? Rakesh started his business on 1st April 21. He invested a capital of 1 lakh. On 31st March, he has following information available as per the single entry system maintained by him. ನೋಡಿ ಏನೇನು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ವೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Receivables from Ajay against credit sales this much. Machine is this much. Payable to Vinod is this much. Loan taken from bank. Drawings made during the year. You are required to calculate profit or loss earned by Rakesh for the year ended 31st March. How will we do? How do I calculate profit here? Think. What all I am given? See, I know that to calculate profit, we want closing capital minus opening capital, correct? Do I have opening capital here? I do have. Do I have closing capital? No. But can I find out using all this informations here? Can I find out? Enge. Balance sheet ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ capital ನನಗೆ balancing figure. So let us prepare balance sheet here. Balance sheet il balance sheet annalla. We will call it as statement of affairs. Okay. I'll discuss about statement of affairs immediately next after we complete this problem. Okay. Put the heading second one, solution. For the determination of profit, what I'm doing first, I'm doing statement of affairs. Then I will determine the profit. So put the heading statement of affairs. It is nothing but balance sheet. Same balance sheet only I'm doing, but name just change. During the year ended 31st March 22. So as on 31st March 22, put assets, liabilities, same format. Liabilities amount, assets amount. The same format, no change. Okay, na? Just name change. Why are we calling the statement of affairs and not balance sheet? Because the given information is not exact ಅಲ್ಲ. This is just an estimation. Exact information ಇತ್ತು, not even a single rupee ಕಡಿಮೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is balance sheet, because balance sheet is accurate information. A statement of affairs is based on not so accurate. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಫೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್? ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಸೆಟ್, ಇನ್ವೆಂಟರಿ ಅಸೆಟ್, ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಸೆಟ್, ಮಷೀನ್ ಅಸೆಟ್. Payable to Vinod, liability. Loan taken from bank, liability. First is always capital Allah. Leave this in the brackets, write down balancing figure. Next, payable, trade payables, payable to Vinod. Next is loan from bank. Fill up whatever it is. Next, we here had inventory. We here had trade receivables. What I remember, I'm writing. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಷೀನ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಮಷೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೆ yes, what else we have? Cash ಇದೆ. Anything else? I think only 4. Now fill up the figures quickly. Cash balance 3,200. Inventory 34,800. What's the trade receivable? Receivables are always asset, please remember. 31,000. What's the value of machine? 85. Yes, it's 85. Now what is loan? 10,000. Payables 12. Ma'am, drawings ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Here it will not come. Okay, but when we calculate profit, it will affect. So just do this. Quickly add up, find out the difference, and find out the capital. Yeah, we got this 1,32,000. Now we will calculate profit. Write down the heading: determination of profit or loss. Determination of profit or loss during the year. That was only asked in the question, Allah. Same particulars amount. Previously, what we did in problem number 1. Quickly do and tell me the answer. Is there any additional capital here? No. Correct? What's the closing capital? Just now we have calculated it as 1,32,000. Drawings how much? 24,000. Opening capital given in the question how much? 1 lakh. So what will be my profit or loss? 56. Yes. That is my answer. Done? Shall I move on? Yeah. Now look, what's the difference between statement of affairs and balance sheet? I said we will do it quickly right now after the problem. See here. Source. How is it prepare statement of partly recorded books ಮೇಲೆ we will prepare. Yeah, partly under single system, partly double entry, ಆ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. These are based on estimate, assumption, ಮೆಮ್ರಿಯಿಂದ ಏನೇನು ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಆ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ we will prepare this. But here, strictly on the basis of double entry, each item is verified from the ledgers, books, documentary evidence, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. But this is in the statement, capital is merely balancing figure. Just now we did a capital is our balancing figure, but here capital is derived from capital accounting, the ledger, and therefore the total of the asset side will always be equal to liability side. Il balancing figure iralla, always tally agutte. Illenagutte, balancing figure irutte. Omission here. Since the statement is prepared from incomplete records, it's difficult to identify those assets and liabilities if omitted from the books. If we forget to take some asset also, if we forget to take some liabilities also, you cannot identify here because all the remaining balance is only capital. So here you will not be able to identify. But here there is no possibility of omission because if you omit something, your balance sheet will never tally. Does it tally? No. So you will, if it does not tally, you will be able to locate the missing items automatically. Yeah. Here, the valuation of asset is generally done in arbitrary manner. No method of valuation is disclosed. Fixed assets ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದೇನು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. But here everything scientific basis, original cost, less depreciation, properly, neatly done. Any change, that's also disclosed. Here nothing, arbitrary. Objective of preparing this statement is to identify the capital figures beginning and at the end of accounting period respectively. At least ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? Only to get the capitals at the beginning ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು, at the end of the year how much ಆಗಿದೆ. Yeah, but here we prepare to know the financial position on a particular date. Okay, these are the differences between, you can expect a theory question, difference between statement of affairs and balance sheet, or some true or false question is also possible. Okay. Now, shall we move on to the illustration 3? Yes, quickly you have to do. These are very, very simple problems. You have to do it quickly. Assets and liabilities of X as on 31st March 21 and 22 are given below. Now here, assets nodi enenide. There are some liabilities also given, correct? Here one question mark is there. Where it's the question mark? Building. Furniture also there's a question mark. Okay, fine, no problem. Chalo. Next, what is the additional information given? Depreciate. Decided to depreciate building by 2.5%, furniture by 10%. So simple, you can make the answer ala question marks though. Yes? One life insurance. Now, next point is important. One life insurance policy of the proprietor was matured during the year and the amount 40,000 is retained in the business. Proprietor took 2,000 per month for meeting family expenses. Prepare statement of affairs as on 31st March 21, 31st March 22. Okay, anything for personal use, what it is? Drawings. Anything used, introduced in the business from personal thing, that is additional capital. Please remember this very, very important point. They are asking us to prepare statement of affairs as on 31st March 21, 31st March 22. Put the heading statement of affairs. Liabilities amount, make like this. 121 ಗೆ 122 ಗೆ. Fill up fast. Assets are given, liabilities are given. Do it quickly. You have to just copy paste from here. फटाफट copy paste करो. It is given assets building. First is building. What is the value of building? Given is how much? 22 ಗದೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ 2.5% ಮಾಡಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 lakhs into 2.5% ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ just 2500 ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So it will be correct. And next, what we have? Furniture. What's the value of furniture given to us? 50,000. Depreciation. Do it. What is the rate of depreciation we have? 10%. Means 5,000 less ಆಗುತ್ತೆ and it is 45,000. Next, what is the set? Inventory. Yes, you have to quickly write down. These are very simple problems. कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो पूछ लीजिए, ठीक है? I'm just preparing the normal balance sheet. By now you are a pro in preparing the balance sheets. 40, 90. Next, cash at bank, cash in hand. Now here, capitals will be our balancing figure. If it is not given ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you can write down. I think not given, huh? Loans, sundry creditors. Fill up all this. Ma'am, what about these additional information? Proprietors, policy matured, policy drawings. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ information, it is not required here. When we are preparing statement of affairs, we don't want all that information. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು? If they are asking to calculate the profit, then we need those additional information, correct? So in this problem, to calculate the balancing figure of the capital, we need not do anything with the drawings or additional capital or profit. Okay na? ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So yes, what's the amount we are getting? 21. Yes. 21, how much are you getting? 2,41,200. Do it again if it is coming wrong. The answer must be 2,41,200. Then tell me the balancing figure. 4,40,700. Yes, what did you tell? 3,81,200. And here it is 5,97,000. अच्छा ठीक है, चलो करेक्ट बोल रहे हो. This is only statement of affairs. Our illustration 3 is solved. सिंपल है ना? कुछ टफ था? कुछ भी टफ था नहीं है ना? कितना क्लियर एंड सिंपल है. प्रॉब्लम में कुछ ट्विस्ट ही नहीं है. ट्विस्ट आगे आएंगे, रुक जाओ। ये ICI तो यार थोड़ा वार्म अप है, रियल एक्सरसाइजेस विल कम लेटर। चलो illustration 4, fourth one solution. What are they telling in the fourth one? Take the figures given in illustration 4, find out profit. Now in this question we are asked to calculate profit. Profit कैसे बनाना है? How do we calculate profit? Put the heading, determination of profit. Heading wedding नीचे डालने का, इसका भी marks मिल जाता है, नहीं तो कट जाता है. Okay? In the examination, please put the headings clearly. Don't skip anything. Determination of profit during the year. कैसे आएगा? Profit कैसे आता है? Same particulars amount, that format, correct? पीछे जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हम कर रहे हैं सेम फॉर्मेट आपको कॉपी करना है. व्हाट डिड वी डू? क्लोजिंग कैपिटल. ऐड क्या होता है इसके साथ? व्हाट इज एडेड? ऐड व्हाट? ड्राइंग्स, करेक्ट. लेस व्हाट हैपेंस? एडिशनल कैपिटल. Introduced during the year. Completely write down, introduced during the year. और एक लेस क्या होता है? This what? Opening capital. ये फॉर्मेट है ना. अब फटाफट से फिगर्स फिल कर लो. मैम व्हाट इज द क्लोजिंग कैपिटल? मैम just now we have calculated. See here in this particular, this will be my closing capital, this will be my opening capital. 22 figures are closing, 21 figures is opening. For 44700 minus 44700, drawings क्या है? Is there any drawings in the problem? See here above था ना, proprietor took 2002 per month for family expense. Anything taken by proprietor is drawings. So 2000 per month matlab, so drawings is how much? 2000 into per month means 12. So it is correct. Next, additional capital है क्या? Find out. One life insurance policy of whom? Proprietor only, matured, and it is retained in the business. एक policy mature हुआ, उसका 40,000 आया है. 40,000 you didn't give it back to the proprietor, you have kept it in the business. It means that is our additional capital introduced by the proprietor. Correct? How much it is? कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है कि मैम ये कुछ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी है ऐसा. अरे कुछ नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. ठीक है, सिर्फ एडिशनल कैपिटल है ये. This one 2,41,200 है ना. Yes, calculate. This is only my answer. 1 lakh. Yes, 1,83,500 is your answer. समझ में आ गया? क्लियर है? Yes. रूपी का सिंबल ये सब डालना नहीं भूलना है. Okay, shall we move on to the next problem? Yes, illustration 5. Interesting. मैम इंटरेस्टिंग बोलते रहते हैं, level of difficulty will rise धीरे धीरे. Okay, the income tax officer on assessing the income of Shri Moti for the financial year 2020, 21, 21, 22 feels that Shri Moti has not disclosed full income. Okay, income tax officer को हमेशा लगता है कि income is not being disclosed properly. Now he gives you the particulars of assets and liabilities as on 1st April 20 and 1st April 22. 21 नहीं है बीच में, क्या है? 20 and 22 का details are given to you. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ income tax officer ನಿಮ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ assets and liabilities detail. You only find out first year ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಅವನ್ ತೋರ್ಸಿದ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆನಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ. Okay, so during the 2 years domestic expenditure was 4,000 per month. It means drawings is this much. He showed incomes of 1,05,000 for 2021 and 1,23,000 for 21-22. State whether income tax officer's contention is correct. Explain by your workings. ಅಂದ್ರೆ he is showing this much income. ನಾವು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಹೇಳೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಾರ್ 2022. ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಎಸ್. So we will do the same thing as we have done in the earlier, like in this problem, in particular problem, we found out this capital and this capital. Then we made the difference alla. Here what we did, we made the difference between these two. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇನು ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ we will calculate the profit. Correct? So same thing we will do. Put the headings, statement of affairs fast. Fifth one solution. समझ में आ गया ना? करना क्या है, करना प्रॉफिट ही निकालना है आपको. तो प्रॉफिट कैसे निकालेंगे, पहले कैपिटल्स फाइंड आउट करेंगे, फिर डिफरेंस ऑफ कैपिटल ओनली इज माय प्रॉफिट्स. करेक्ट? तो स्टेटमेंट ऑफ अफेयर्स, जो ईयर दिया है वो ईयर लिखो, एज ऑन 1st April 20 and 1 April 22. फटाफट से इसका फिगर निकालो. You can do it fast. Do it and let me know the figures. जल्दी जल्दी करो, क्विकली. एग्जाम है आपका, फटाफट करना है, आराम से नहीं. Within 2 minutes I have to get the answer. चलो देखते हैं कौन पहले आंसर दे रहा है. लेट अस सी हु गिव्स मी द आंसर फर्स्ट. Got anybody got the answer? Fast, quick. I think I will only do it fast. Let us see. Yes, done. Domestic expenditure is nothing but drawings. Drawings will not come here. What is inventory? 91,500, 91,500. Now tell me, do I have to keep there is some additional question, please write. Just give me a second. Here now the question is incomplete. After sundry debtors, there are 3 questions. Please write down. Complete this. Complete this question. After sundry debtors, please write down land and building. Only half has not come. Okay, try to complete this. See, after sundry debtors, write down land and building. 1,90,000. Motor car. 1,25,000. Wife's jewelry. 1,25,000. Again, write down loan to Moti's brother. 20,000. After this, you write down liabilities. Idu bare assets aita. Eager write down liabilities and then write down sundry creditors. Now in the next year it is asset. 20 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಲೋನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮೊದಲು ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಈಗ ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಅಸೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಅಸೆಟ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ಲೋನ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Complete this. Now the question is complete. Now you solve. So I have to add here, I think motor car barutte. Loan to Moti's brother will come. Yeah. Yes. So it is 1,25,000. Loan is how much? 20. Land and building is 1,90,000. Wife's jewelry also increased to 1,25,000. Correct? We have to give. Owing to Moti's brothers. We are owing to Moti's brothers. Yes, in the above side, we have to give because it's a loan payable. In the second case, he has to give us the amount. Yes. Return kodbek no. In the first case, in the April 2020, I have taken a loan from Moti's brother. So it's a liability to me. Correct? In 2022, I have given him some loan. There's a difference. Only because it is Moti's brothers, don't get confused. First time it is loan, second time it is asset. Okay? Now in the after 2 years, I had some money. I have given him money as the loan. Okay? So no. It's a simple thing. Don't get confused. Now add up 40 and 35 in the first case, Priyanka. 40 here, 35 here. In the next case, only creditors, I think 55, correct? Yes. Now balance. Okay. Total up, balance. Yes? Are you getting this? Got it? Quickly. Yes? Chalo. Next, put the heading determination of profit. Now we got the capitals. The next step we have to do is what? Determination of profits. During 2 years, it is not just 1 year, correct? 20 to 21, 21 to 22. 2 years profits I do, correct? Yes. Now, how do we do this? Number B. Here also we have to find out the difference between the two, correct? So what is the closing capital? Same formula we will do. Closing capital. What is the closing capital? To this, what do we add? Add what? Drawings. But drawings for 2 years you have to add. Please be careful. Okay? Are we given any additional capital introduced? I am erasing this question because we have already written anta. Yeah. Are we given any additional capital? No. So additional capital baralla. Aitu. Then less opening capital. What's the closing capital we got right now? Rupees. So it's 5,65,000 now. Drawings, how much? Look at the drawings. 4,000 per month for 2 years. See, it's given during the 2 years, the domestic expenditure was 4,000 per month. Andre 4,000 into 2 years antandre 24 months. 96,000. Very good. So, what's the opening capital we have? Three lakh 48,000. So this is our income earned during 2021 and 2022. Correct? But according to Moti, how much he has said? He has said 1,05,000 and 1,23,000. Add these two. Come on. Income declared how much? See, I am writing in the next line only. You continue. So here we will write income declared during 2021 and 21-22. How much? 1,05,000 plus 1,23,000. Correct? And how much has he declared? 2,28,000. Oh, he just shown an income of 2,28,000 for the year, but actual profit is how much? 3,48,000. So how much less is he showing? Deduct it. Find out. Minus. So he is showing less income, correct? So we will call it as suppressed income. Suppressed income is 1,20,000. Okay? But I have to explain Allah by our working. So let us explain. Are you clear? He's showing how much less? 1,20,000. Write down in the next line. The income tax officer's contention. Income tax officer's contention that Sri Moti has not declared his true income is correct. Mr. Moti has shown rupees 1,20,000 less as per the information made available to us. As per the information made available to us. Are you clear? Okay. So we will keep it till here for today's class and we will continue tomorrow. Bye.